my young Math Olympians, welcome to the 7th session to practice the equation of simple equation where every problem is a puzzle waiting to be solved. So let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a simple equation? Imagine an equation as a balanced scale where both sides must be equal. One side you have a mystery box, let's call it x, and on other side you have a number. Let's take a look at this equation x plus 5 is equal to 12. Here x is a mystery box and if we add 5 to whatever is inside we end up with 12. But how do we find out what x is? It's simple. Can you guess? Yes, just do the opposite of adding 5 which is minus 5. That's right, subtract 5. If we subtract 5 from both the side, we keep the balance and reveal the value of x by doing little math. And there we have it, x is equal to 7 and you just cracked your first equation. Well done. Question number 1. If 8 bottle costs you 14 more than that of 6 bottles, then find the cost of 12 bottle. So student, here let the cost of one bottle be x like you can see in the solution. Now according to question, first of all try to make equation like 8x means the cost of 8 bottle is equal to 14 more means plus the 6 bottle means 6x. Now on transposing means keep the x terms on a one side and the numbers on other side. We got x is equal to 7. Now we know the cost of one bottle, that is 7 rupees. We need to find for the 12 bottles, so we can find it by the multiplication. So 12 into 7, that is 84. Now check in the option, that is option D. Question number 2, the solution of the equation 10 minus 3y is equal to 1. So solution means you need to find the value of y. So it's easy, like with the help of transposing method, keep the numbers on one side and the numbers with variables on the other side, like in the solution. Now on solving we got y is equal to 3. Now let's check in the option, that is option D. Question number 3. A number is tripled and 8 is added. If the result is doubled, it becomes 94. What is the number? So yes students, here you need to let the number, let be it's x. Now according to question, a number is tripled means 3x and 8 is added means plus 8. If the result so obtained is multiplied by 2 means doubled, it becomes 94. So here is the equation. Now solving for x, we got x is equal to 13. Now check in the option. So it's a option A. Question number 4. Which of the given equations doesn't have minus 4 as a solution? Means for which equation p is not equal to minus 4. So let's check equation. A equation is 5 minus p is equal to 9. On solving we got p is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 the solution for the given equation. Let's check for B. 14 plus p is equal to 10. So p is equal to 10 minus 4. Again we got minus 4. Again it's a solution. C 20 divided by minus p is equal to 4 and here we got p is equal to minus 4 means minus 5 is not a solution of this given equation. Let's check for D as well. 9p is equal to minus 36 and here p is equal to minus 4. So now according to question our correct option will be C. Question number 5. If 184 is divided into two parts such that 1/3 of one part exceeds 1/7 of the other part by 8, then the greater part is. So students, let's solve this question step by step. So let's say one part be x. So therefore according to question other part will be 184 minus x, or you can say greater part. Now according to question, they said 1/3 of one part means 1/3 of x is equal to 1/7 of the other part, means 1/7 of 184 minus x, exceed by 8 means plus 8. Now we have to solve for x. So on solving we got at the end x is equal to 72. Then greater part, or you can say other part, will be 184 minus 72, that is 112. Now let's check in the option. So it will be option C. Question number 6, find the value of x in the given equation, and the options are also given. So students, here, yes, you need to solve every step carefully while applying the rules of the board mass. Now let's check. Now in the equation, we have the curly bracket and the circular bracket as well. So try to solve that bracket first. Now on solving, means multiplying by 4, we got 4x minus 4 by 2 plus 25, and outside the bracket we have divided by 3 is equal to 10. Now on solving all this, we got 4x plus 23 divided by 3 is equal to 10. Divided by 3 we can write like this way, and on solving for the value of x, we got x is equal to 7 by 4, and its mixed fraction is 1 3 by 4. Now let's check in the option. So the option will be A, 1 3 by 4. Question number 7. If 2/3 of a number, half of the same number, and 1/7 of the same number is added to itself, the result is 37. You need to find for the number. So students, let's say the number be x. Now 2/3 of the number, half of the number, 1/7 of the number, and the number itself. Now according to question, you need to add all this number and the result will be 37. Now to find for the value of x, let's take the LCM of 3, 2 and 7 is 42. Now on solving for the value of x, we got 1554 divided by 97. Converting to mixed fraction, that is 16 2 by 97. Let's check in the option. So here the option will be B. Question number 8. If two supplementary angles differ by 44 degrees, then one of the angle is, so options are given here. So students, you must know that sum of two supplementary angles are always 180 degree. Now according to question, if one angle is x, then other angle must be 44 plus x degree. Now according to the definition of supplementary angle, the x plus 44 plus x is equal to 180. On solving for x, we got x is equal to 68 degree. But you need to find for the other angle as well. So that is 44 plus 68 degree is equal to 112 degree. That is option C. Question number 9. Find the value of x in the given equation, and the options are also given. So students, be careful while doing all the steps and apply the board mass carefully. Now doing all these steps, we at the end we got 21x minus 14x is equal to 7, and here x is equal to 1. That is option C. But students, please try to solve all the question by yourself, and then after that you can check your answers with the solution given. Question number 10. Which of the following equation has y is equal to 3 9 by 11 as a solution? So equations are given. So students, here you can get the answer of this question without solving and with solving as well. Now let's check here. Y is equal to 3 9 by 11 is given. On converting into fraction, we got 42 by 11, means we want y as a 42 by 11. Now let's check here A. Now on checking the equation A, we got 47 minus 5 is equal to 42. Yes, it's resemble with the given option. Now B, 47 plus 5 is 42. This is wrong. Now for C, 47 plus 5 is equal to 52. That is again wrong. Now like we can say that A will be the correct answer, but let's check with solving method as well. Now to find the value of y, we know that we need to keep the y values one side and the numbers on the other side. On doing so, we got y is equal to 42 by 11. That is right. Now let's check for the B option. So we got 52 by 11. That is wrong. And C is 52 by 19. Again it's wrong. So students, here your correct option will be A. So students, always try to find the answer by looking at the options as well. It will save your lot of time. So dear students, keep practicing and don't forget it to share with your friends, as sharing is caring. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.